Taiji, I have a question.
Huh.
So I'm dealing with this situation where I'm talking to this girl, right? And it's nice. So like when we're having fun, we're having lots of fun, and yeah, it's like everything is going good.
Huh.
But whenever I'm at my low and whenever I have some struggle, then she says, "Go figure it out yourself," or she doesn't like support me. Not the way that you support Buddy. When I say you and Buddy, you guys always support each other. But with her, it's only she's there with me on the highs, but not on the lows. And what, like, I don't know why I'm attracting that.
That means the person is not emotionally available to you.
Mm-hmm.
So is this the first time it happened, or it happened earlier also?
Now that you mention it, actually, it has happened before where girls have not, on my lows, they've not been emotionally available.
What about your friends?
Friends, yeah, friends have been,
Okay.
but not girls.
Not girls. So you had a relationship in the past where the girls are not actually emotionally available.
Yeah.
So did you realize what happened?
All I know is that in the lows, that they were not there with me. That's it.
Okay. So this is actually your pattern. You know how Mitesh talks about pattern.
Yeah.
So this is actually your pattern where you are attracting a person who is emotionally not available.
Mhm.
You have gone into this manifestation where you're actually getting into the relationship. You're really liking the girl, you're enjoying the girl, but the girl is not emotionally available. And that's a pattern which we need to break. But before we get into the pattern, before I explain you how to break it, let me give you an example of my life.
Okay.
So you know that Buddy is my second husband. You know that, right? So what happened before that? I was married to a person who was actually financially not stable. He was not making money, he was not in the job, and he was not financially supportive to me. Whereas I was making money, I was in the job, and I was completely fine. So when I broke up with him, when I gave him the divorce, I did not work on my pattern. I just gave the divorce. I just decided, okay, चलो रिश्ता खत्म करते, बात खत्म करते, मैं नए से चालू करूँगी. Then I took a break. I got into the work. I got successful. Everything happened, and then I started. I was like, I'm now ready to get into the relationship. But did I work on the pattern? I did not. I did not work on the pattern of attracting a person who is financially not stable, career not stable, and not ready to help me financially, or is not successful career wise in his life. What happened? I attracted Mitesh. Then Mitesh was again, he was struggling in his career, he was not making any money, he was not successful at all. He was emotionally available. He's a fantastic person. He is very good person, but then he was not available. And that's what was happening. So when I met him, he took me and introduced me to Sahil. You know Sahil, right?
Yeah.
Our mentor Sahil. He introduced me to Sahil and he told me, let's go and meet Sahil. His intention was not to fix anything or anything. He just took me to Sahil. And Sahil made me realize that this is your pattern. You are attracting a person who is not financially successful, career wise successful. And the same thing is happening with you.
So what did Sahil sir tell you?
Sahil told me that break the pattern. You need to first break the pattern completely. Once you break the pattern, Mitesh may change, Mitesh may not change. But you don't have an option of running away from Mitesh. If you are okay with it, then we'll go ahead. So, how did I break the pattern? He taught me some steps, which I'm going to teach you how to break the pattern. But this is what he told me to break the pattern with Mitesh. So I broke the pattern with Mitesh, and you know, rest is history. You know how successful
Yeah.
Mitesh is today.
So how do I break my pattern of attracting emotionally unavailable girls?
Perfect. Now tell me one thing. What do you mean by emotionally available? Because सबके लिए अलग अलग होता है वेदू. मेरे लिए अलग है, आपके लिए अलग है. मेरे लिए emotionally available means अगर मेरे को ये पता है कि if I pick up the phone and talk to the person, that means that person is emotionally available. He may not call, he may not support, but अगर मैं फ़ोन उठा के बात कर सकती हूँ तो इसका मतलब मेरे लिए वो person emotionally available है. What is your definition of emotionally available? Give me 5 qualities.
For me, as long as we can get on call and we can talk for at least 30 minutes, talk about each other comfortably, then that's emotionally available.
Okay.
If they are with me,
But talk about fun. Then तो 30 minutes हो गया, fun रहेगा तो.
if they're with me when I'm low, whenever I need them,
With me means what?
which means they can support me if I'm feeling down, and they don't always have to bring me up, but they're there and I need to feel that. So when I'm on the low, I need to feel that they are there for me instead of just telling me
If
to
the
figure it
person
out.
just listens to you, becomes your soundboard. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
You're okay with that?
Mhm.
Okay. So the person should be listening to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Write down. Okay. What is the second quality you're looking for?
Second thing I think would be when I'm on the low, I don't want her to constantly give me gyan and advice and all those things. Like, just be there for me.
Just be there.
If that's what she does, then that's emotionally available.
Perfect. What is the third one?
Third one would be if at least when we're meeting or if it's on a call, I'd like if she could say, I love you and I have your side.
Perfect.
I'm by your side. I think that is one then makes me feel I love from her. And then it's like then I can become strong.
Excellent.
Because then I know that she's there for me.
Excellent. Write down. We're done with 3. What is the fourth one?
I would also like if in the relationship, well, she also checks up on me. Even if I'm on the low or on the high, she generally checks up on me just to see how I am.
Perfect.
Because then I know that it's not just I'm on the high or I'm on the low. It's like anytime she's there.
She's there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Very good. Can you actually see that it is so difficult? I mean, we say that हमको ideal partner चाहिए, हमको ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. But when it came to actually writing it down, he actually doesn't know what he wants. It's difficult, isn't it? Why don't you also pull out a paper and write down what do you mean by emotionally available? When you have the clarity, you can communicate to that person. You may have a person who is right now not emotionally available, but you have the clarity. You can actually go and tell him or her that मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे इस relationship में मुझे ये चाहिए. And you never know. The person may not know about it. But now that you clearly communicated to him or her that मुझे ये relationship में चाहिए, he or she will give it to you because she values you or he values you. So write it down. What do you actually want in your relationship? When you say he's not available, what do you mean by he's not available? Or when you say she's not available, what do you mean by she's not available?
I thought of my last one.
Arre wah, that's nice. Bolo.
I think for me, the last one should be that with me and her, I don't want it to be only when I do something, she does something, or only when she does something, I do something.
Perfect.
We spontaneously, once in a while, just do something for each other just out of love.
Perfect. And there should not be any hisab kitab.
Yeah, exactly. It should not be a transaction.
Huh.
It should be I love you, you love me, and we're going to do whatever we can to meet each other's needs.
Perfect.
I think that's what is emotionally available.
Perfect. What are the 5 things we wrote down?
We said
When you are low, she should be available. Second, she should not give you gyan.
Yeah.
Right? Third, she should say I love you to you and
Yeah.
say that I'm on your side all the time. Fourth,
check up on me once in a while.
check up on you once in a while. And fifth,
And last one is just doing spontaneously things for each other,
Things
just
for-
out of love.
so doing things for each other just out of love. And that I think applies everywhere. You should not keep hisab kitab of कि मैंने तेरे लिए ये किया, तूने मेरे लिए ये किया. No, just do it out of love. Why are you doing it? Just out of love. I'm going to come back and give you an exercise. But before that, let me give some gift to my audiences. Okay. Now that you learned, it is difficult to actually define what are you looking for. Correct? It's very easy to blame मेरा partner ये नहीं करता, मेरी partner ये नहीं करती. But we only don't know what are we looking for. So first write down what are you looking for. That's one. Now the second, I have got a gift for you. We conduct, I and Mitesh Khatri, we conduct a very powerful program called Relationship Mastery. I'm giving you the first lesson of that Relationship Mastery, absolutely free. Do sign up. There is a link in the description. Do sign up and come and attend. That will also take your relationship to the next level. Of course, this assignment. Now the video is not over yet. I have one more assignment, okay? First, I'll give it to Ved and then I'll give it to you. So now that you have written down this 5, now visualize yourself 5 years down the line.
Okay.
And write a letter right now thinking that after 5 years, what do you want in your life? Write a letter that, okay, I achieved this, or I found a partner who is emotionally available to me, and because of that, I got this, whatever it is. Write a letter to yourself, which will be 5 years down the line.
So are you saying then what I should think about marriage and how life would be one day? Is that what you're saying?
No. Don't make it a big deal out of it. Don't make it a big event or anything. Just a casual letter after 5 years, one fine day, how the life is. That is what I want. Write like this, that dear, and say that my life is like this. I have got this partner. So look at it this way. Now if today Buddy has to write a letter or I have to write a letter, what will be my letter? That today his life is so good that Mitesh is by me all the time, whether I'm low, high, things are going bad, good. He's there. I can do absolutely anything with him. I can talk to him anything. He's available to me. He's not pushing me away when I'm low. He's not just being with me when I'm looking good. He finds me beautiful even when I get out of the bed. Something on those lines. Like this, you write down what will life look like after 5 years. While he's doing it, you also do it. Okay? Remember, you have to use the emotionally available qualities which you had written, 5. Those things should be included in this letter.
Okay.
That becomes your reference point. So
Yeah.
that becomes your manifestation.
Mhm.
Do the same thing. You've written 5 emotionally available qualities in your life, right? Use those 5 qualities to write this letter. This becomes your manifestation, this becomes your visualization, and this becomes your vision board also.
So, who should I write the letter to?
You should write the letter to yourself. It's
To
a
myself.
5 years older Ved.
Okay, so it does not matter who the person is, but it matters of how I want to feel and how I want to live my life.
Exactly. How you are 5 years down the line.
Okay.
जैसे मैंने अभी बोला ना कि how I am with Mitesh now, like this, how you are 5 years down the line when you attracted this person who is emotionally available to you with these 5 qualities of yours. Remember, these 5 qualities of emotionally available to him is his. Don't copy paste. You will have yours different. I have mine different. Like this, make your own list first and then start writing letter. So write dear Ved, then you how your life looks like. और याद रखो आपको फोकस कहाँ करना है अभी
Relationship.
रिलेशनशिप इस पार्टनर पे नॉट इवन रिलेशनशिप विद पप्पा मम्मी दादा दादी नहीं ये रिलेशनशिप पार्टनर पे फोकस करके आपको करना है
Okay.
ठीक है ना
got it.
और अपने बिजनेस सक्सेस करियर सक्सेस वो सब भी उसमें मिक्स नहीं करना है अपने को सिर्फ अभी फोकस करना है ओनली ऑन रिलेशनशिप विद द पार्टनर
Okay. So should I write down more of how I would feel every day?
यस
Can I write like emotions so that
Yeah.
they can guide me?
you can do that.
Perfect.
How are you feeling? You're feeling supported. You're feeling that there is somebody behind your back. You're feeling loved. You're excited to live life. How are you feeling? And you also write down, okay, guys? For example, write down what message she gave you yesterday or 2 days ago when you were low. How did she support you? How did she stand by you?
Right.
Write down that. So this is a letter which you're writing to yourself 5 years down the line, how you are in this relationship when you found your emotionally available partner. Now, can you briefly tell me what your letter looks like? I don't want to know complete love letter,
Yeah.
but thoda sa bata do.
I have written that 5 years down the line, I think this girl she raises my standards of highs, and even when she's there in my lows, she's there to listen, she's there to hold me, because sometimes even I need support. I think a lot of people think that men don't need support, but I think I also like to be held once in a while just by
Yes,
some girl.
that is so true. I completely agree. Men do need support. Don't feel that men don't need support. Yes.
Yeah. And I like the whole tough thing, but I think with the girl by my side, and when she holds me and she says it's okay and I love you and I'm there for you, tomorrow I'm just so much tougher. Tomorrow I am
Strong.
bigger than a winner.
Very good. Amazing. So you wrote that.
Yeah.
Very good. Guys, you also let me know what you wrote. What are the 5 qualities you want when you are saying emotionally available? And what is your letter look like? Take a picture, share it with me in the comment. I love reading it. I'll see you in the next video.